Please like and subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notification. Welcome children, I Hari. Today I will draw JCB tractor. Are you ready?
Okay.
First I will draw driver cabin. Now I will draw its motor parts. Let's draw together its wheel. Now let's draw together its loader. Let's draw together wheels. Do you know children what for is this JCB tractor? This JCB tractor is for construction work like railway, bridge and etc. This is looking very good. Now our drawing is going to complete. Now your homework is to fill color in this. Children, fill color in this like this.